I know why.
On it, you carry boss.
What did they do?
What you play when the mother asks man on ocean book, when I carry boss, you didn't.
On you a problem. Where are you? Are you live?
I'm live.
Hey, really? Meet my new girlfriend. Miss Abena Korkor. Today, Abena paid me a visit in the office, and we are talking about everything. You know, like I keep saying, I'm a feminist. You know, women issues mean a lot to me. So, in fact, Abena did very well. She just called and she came, and we have spoken. So please, this one is a new platform, and Abena apologized for some of the things that happened, and I equally apologize to my sister for everything that happened. You know, I keep saying that the last thing I want to do in my life is to have regret to apologize. When I say I'm sorry for doing something, I really mean it. And Abena wants to meet everybody involved in all of this, and speak with them and try and solve issues and try and make peace. So we are fine. No.
They don't. They said he's sure that she allowed you to chop some.
They allow me to do it.
He said I'm not allowed you to chop some pear. That's why.
Oh no. It hasn't gotten there.
You are not there yet.
So somebody is also saying, are you selling cement or you are doing, what are you doing?
No,
He's solving proper fractions.
I'm solving proper fractions.
Wait. And then, hey, they say Aplus. Kiss her, make we go.
Like I'm the African pastor. Like I'm the African pastor. Somebody go kiss somebody will get problem. I see these people on my page.
They say you are enjoying the shampoos.
I'm enjoying the shampoos.
They say they don't trust you. You go chop.
My friend, they're crazy. I've been fighting with them. Challenge you guys know the CC I make sure for Facebook. They block me, so they use some technique. They do all of this. They block me for 30 days. So they use some technique. But how do you call it? Abena is here. Abena wants to say something.
Okay, so I'm here at Aplus office, and I want to apologize for any statements that I've made that wasn't, called for. He's also apologized to me, and whenever there's misunderstanding and we all realize our faults, we apologize to each other, and then we come back together to see how we can move forward. The best is to accept your mistakes, admit to it, apologize, and then see how you can move forward. As human beings, there's always going to be misunderstandings, there's always going to be wrongdoings. The courageous ones accept their mistakes, and I'm glad I've been bold enough to do that. Aplus has also done the same. We are hoping for a better Ghana. We are both two influential people, and it's best if we put our forces and energy together to see what we can do for ourselves and for people around us. So I just hope this is the beginning of a very fruitful and productive relationship, friendship, and we'll see how possible we can make things work.
Yeah, so we're looking at how we can make things work, and I've told Abena that my interest, apart from apologizing to her for everything, my interest is to see her well-being, and so I think that everybody would also give her some support and some space to get things right. So basically, everybody who has been affected by everything that has gone on I don't think Abena can visit everybody, but anybody who feels offended, anybody who has been affected in one way or the other.
Yeah, on this platform, yes. I say sorry. I've never had any malicious intent to defame or say anything negative about anyone. I'll try my best to visit everyone.
So today, we
Oh yes, I didn't even know. So it's divine. This meeting is divine.
Yes.
And I know God has blessed.
Even the guy who is holding the camera, his teeth is the same as your hair.
But still, people don't trust you. They say we'll chop it.
Oh, which one from this chopping matter?
Alright.
So,
they are distracting us, but we are on course. What
yeah.
matters is that we are on course. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe a concern for more concern.
They like a combination outfit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And what else?
And then Abena is a brave lady and she's done very well.
You see my friends on Facebook, eh? You see all these guys, they're my friends. They go talk about Abena, me. No, they don't give me fans. They never will give me the fans. I go meet them on one page, we will discuss. We will tell them.
Some too don't believe. They said there's a concert party, so staged.
Eh?
Yes.
Oh, time will tell. Yeah, time will tell.
But someone are also still advising you that don't chop it.
Oh, I'm sure that this should be we are hoping that this will be the last episode, and then all of these will come up. We are all ready to support our sisters. So, like I said on Saturday, the most important thing is to see that she's well and everything is fine. So, guys, ever since she has been missing today, I'm not going to go there, so they make the answer. But people know the way me and you they do. We'll meet again, eh?